Hello students, so today I am discussing Woodward and Prevost oxidation or reaction. Woodward and Prevost oxidation is used for the formation of vicinal type of diol. Diol समझ में आ रहा, OH OH and vicinal type of diol means क्या हुआ आपका 2OH are attached with two adjacent carbon atom, and the reagent for this reaction is iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride, and for this reaction an equivalent of silver acetate and silver benzoate is used for Prevost condition. And for the Woodward condition, if the medium is aqueous medium, then the reaction is known as Woodward reaction. So reagents are same, iodine, silver acetate. There is only a difference between the solvent. The anhydrous condition is known as Prevost condition, and when water is used as a solvent, then the reaction is known as Woodward reaction, and there should not be any confusion. Water W, so it is related to Woodward WW, and anhydrous condition means carbon tetrachloride, then the reaction is known as Prevost reaction. In anhydrous condition, alkene react with iodine silver acetate in carbon tetrachloride. It gives diacetyl derivative. Diacetyl derivative which on hydrolysis gives diol, and this type of diols are trans diols. But in aqueous medium, when we used water in and as well as acetic acid, then the alkene they gives monoacetyl derivative. Here अभी mechanism देखेंगे. Here we got this diacetyl derivative, but in the case of this Woodward condition क्या मिलता है आपका monoacetyl derivative मिलता है, that gives this diol. Now the mechanism of this reaction, first I am discussing the mechanism of Prevost reaction. So this is alkene, this is I2 iodine, and this one is silver acetate CH3CuOAg. So first of all, this alkene react with this iodine and it gives a 3-membered iodonium ion. ठीक है, जैसे कि ब्रोमोनियम आइन बनता है जब हम एल्कीन की ब्रोमीन के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं. Likewise, when this alkene react with this iodine, it gives a iodonium ion, 3-membered iodonium ion. After that, this acetate ion from the silver acetate, it gives a intramolecular SN2 reaction. Means this anion from here, it attacks from the back side from here, and there is a cleavage of this carbon and iodine bond. ठीक, तो ये ऐसे क्लीव हुआ, and this acetate ion का जो ऑक्सीजन है, it attacks from the back side at this carbon atom, and it gives like this one COCOCH3, and iodine is here. After that, there is a 5-membered structure or cyclization takes place. This lone pair of electron here, this is iodine, it comes out from here, and this lone pair of electron attacks at this carbon atom. Okay, so there is a formation of oxonium ion. कौन सा ना ion? Oxonium ion. तो कुछ नहीं, iodine eliminate from here, and the lone pair of this oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons, they attack at this carbon atom, and it gives this type of cyclic 5-membered structure. Then this oxygen, it carries a positive charge, so there is a cleavage of this carbon and oxygen, and because it carries a positive charge, so it pulls electron towards itself, and another acetate ion attack from backside from here. Okay, so क्या हुआ आपका, ये न्यूट्रल हो गया, so it again converted into OCOCH3 and another acetate ion attacks from the back side from here, and OCOCH3. So there is a formation of diacetyl derivative of alkene. This is diacetyl derivative of alkene. Finally, on hydrolysis, this diacetyl derivative converted into diol. So here you can see that in the case of this anhydrous condition in carbon tetrachloride, one acetyl comes from here and another acetyl comes from here. One from here, from the top of the this carbon, and second comes from the bottom. सो फाइनली देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ट्रांस डायोल इन प्रीवोस्ट कंडीशन. कौन सा डायोल बनता है आपका? ट्रांस डायोल इन प्रीवोस्ट कंडीशन. ठीक. और सिस डायोल का बनता है सिन डायोल इन वुडवर्ड. सो दिस इज प्रीवोस्ट. और ओनली द डिफरेंस up to here the reaction mechanism is same in both case, in Prevost and Woodward case. Means formation of this 5-membered cyclic structure is same in Prevost as well as in Woodward reaction. Next, Woodward reaction. So again, the reaction of this alkene with iodine and silver acetate in the presence of water and acetic acid, this is known as Woodward reaction. This is alkene. Upon reaction with this iodine, it gives a 3-membered cyclic iodonium. So there is this is a formation of 3-membered cyclic iodonium. Again, this is intramolecular SN2 reaction. Means ये क्या हुआ आपका, ये ओपन हुआ and this acetate ion attacks from this side and it gives OCOCH3. Again, iodine eliminate from here. Iodine comes out from this side and the lone pair of electron attacks at this carbon atom. So there is a formation of this 5-membered cyclic structure like in the case of Prevost reaction. Key point is here, there is a water. So this carbon oxygen in Prevost condition there is a cleavage of this carbon and this oxygen, but in Woodward condition there is a cleavage of this carbon oxygen double bond. So it polarized because it carries a positive charge, so it attracts the lone pair of bonded pair towards itself. So it becomes neutral and carbon becomes positively charged. When carbon becomes positively charged, the lone pair of electron of water attacks at this carbon atom. Okay, so क्या हुआ? Again, this is a 5-membered ring structure and this water attacks at this carbon atom and gives this oxonium ion. And finally H positive removed from here and there is a formation of this OH minus H positive, and then there is a cleavage of this carbon oxygen bond. Okay, तो क्या हुआ आपका? कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड कैसे क्लीव होगा? ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, it pulls bonded pair towards itself, it becomes negatively charged and H positive comes from here. So there is a formation of OH over here and it becomes negative, it becomes positive. So there is a generation of carbon oxygen bond over here. So finally OCOCH3 and one OH is here. So in this case, this is monoacetyl derivative. In the case of Prevost condition, there is a formation of diacetyl derivative, but in the case of Woodward condition, there is a formation of monoacetyl derivative, and finally on hydrolysis, it gives OH. So in this reaction, one OH comes from here, and another one is here. So this is a cis diol. So this is very important reaction, Woodward and Prevost reaction. We should remember the reaction condition. In Woodward, there is Woodward start from W, so it's in the aqueous medium, in water, in the presence of water, WW. And in Prevost, the solvent is carbon tetrachloride. There is only differences this one, and the mechanism up to this 5-membered cyclic structure, the mechanism is same, but here the mode of opening of this ring cleavage is different in the case of Prevost and Woodward. In Prevost there is a cleavage of this one, but here water attacks at this carbon atom, so there is a opening of bond cleavage of this carbon oxygen double bond. Okay, like this carbon tetra acetate, lead tetraacetate means PbOAc, they also give same type of reaction, PbOAc. In water it gives a cis product, and in potassium acetate it gives a trans product, but this reagent lead tetraacetase is less selective than सिल्वर एसीटेट. ठीक है, लेड क्या कर रहे हैं आपका, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं आपका, यदि इसी कंडीशन में लेड टेट्रा एसीटेट यूज़ करते हैं तो वाटर होने पर, अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हम सिंपल सा एक लेवी लें, इफ़ द स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल इज़ लाइक दिस वन एंड वी यूज़ लेड टेट्रा एसीटेट, ठीक, एंड कंडीशन इज CH3COOK, तो क्या बनेगा आपका, COOK होने में ट्रांस बनेगा. ठीक है, और ट्रांस बनता है क्या है आपका, पहले ये बनता है OACOH, और इसी में यदि हम क्या ले लें आपका दूसरा वाटर ले लेते हैं, तो क्या बन जाता है आपका सिस डाइऑल। सिस डाइऑल मीन्स दोनों सेम साइड से अटैक करेंगे ये, ठीक। और इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे तो ये OH में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। बट दिस लेड टेट्राएसीटेट इज लेस सेलेक्टिव एज कंपेयर टू CH3COAg विच वी यूज्ड इन Woodward and Prevost reaction.